My dear friends, this is your Dr. Pannir Selvam on behalf of growbigconsultancy. The training to become entrepreneur is very important nowadays, and especially among the women, because women has a equal proportion like men. So their contribution is very important. So to make them significant, to make them entrepreneur, I would think training is to be imparted in a very small product. With the product will require small investment and the technical also very easy techniques, which will also be easier for them to market. So what is required? Training. To whom? Women. What will they do? They will contribute income to the family to make the people very happy and joyful. Women entrepreneurs has been successfully implementing the program in microfinance also. So we welcome the women to become entrepreneurs. Our trainer is Nirmala Balu, who has been well trained and well equipped with all kind of this entrepreneurial training programs. Women will have to be self-reliant and economically independent, for which I think they need some kind of self-employment. The self-employment cannot be brought by overnight. It requires awareness and again functional knowledge about the product to produce and how to be marketed and having the financial inclusion services so that they'll become vibrant, able to make the product with their own decisions and marketing the product, keeping their margin profit, that money will be contributed to the family invariably.